Good afternoon, everybody, and happy Friday. We've survived another week. Two things I want to talk about today, one being inventory. There's a graphic down below in this email that's going to show inventory direction on where we're heading. So you'll see coming into 2023, we're at pretty much the lowest inventory levels that we've seen in decades. Now, a lot of this has to do with people that have 2, 3, 3.5%, 4% interest rates that may not have the same motivation to sell, especially when they can cash flow on those properties to rent. So I know you're excited. You have clients that are excited, that are ready to buy a house, but maybe a little bit tougher than one may think right now because of the lack of inventory out there and demand that's coming back with rates starting to creep down. I am not a real estate agent, and I will leave this up to a realtor for their discretion, but here's what I'm seeing to be successful in the first-time home buyer price range, which I would call between $300,000 and $500,000, maybe a little bit higher than that. But if you're going to be asking for concessions, don't play around and super lowball them. I would ask close to asking and ask for some concessions with it. Or if you're going to go lower on the asking price, I wouldn't ask for concessions. And the reason I say that is I've had 3 people in the last week that have lost out on contracts because they were a little too aggressive. And not knowing so, I mean, literally a month and a half ago, you can get away with doing something like that, but the market is changing so quickly that you don't want to lose out any offer or opportunity that you can to buy a house. So feel free to strategize with me before placing an offer. We can see exactly where we need to be and the best way to set up the loan, and we'll take it from there. Have a great weekend. I'll talk to you soon.